So I got a recent question, and that is, how do you reduce your CPC in competitive niche without killing conversions in Google Ads? Okay, so for any business, in order to get the maximum ROI, it's very essential to get your cost low. So, in order to get your cost reduced and increase your ROI or return on investment, the best thing is to get the CPC lowest ever possible. And that's what you have asked in this video. Okay, in this question. So let me answer it, how you can achieve your maximum ROI, or how you can reduce your CPC in competitive niche without killing conversions. Now, it's very important because in a competitive niche, your competitors are also waiting to get your ad spot. So it's very important to understand. The first thing is quality score, maintain it. Okay, maintain above 8 plus. Now the quality score is an algorithm on which the whole Google ads system is based on. So if you learn to optimize that, you will be able to reduce your CPC without downgrading your ad positions or without losing your conversions. So it's very important, essential to maintain high quality score to reduce your CPC. I'm not saying about changing your bidding strategy. I'm just saying to achieve the maximum possible quality score. Now, how you can achieve? The first thing I have discovered after years and years, and that is relevancy. Now, there is no substitute for relevancy. Relevancy is the most important thing in the Google Ads campaigns. And relevancy, what do you mean by relevancy? Now, in order to explain you the relevancy, the relevancy starts on your account structures. Okay, I have seen people, you know, adding hundreds of keywords without strategy. So the account structure is the first thing you need to look on. I do not recommend, if you ask me what's a perfect account structure, I say 3 to 5 keywords is the max with your bidding strategy. Now, bidding strategy is a whole discussion, but let's say we're going into phrase match with 1 to 2 ads per ad group. Now, how do you structure that? Is based on the intent. Intent is something, someone has in their mind when they are searching a particular query. So if you find 3 keywords with the same intent, create an ad group. If you do not find 3 keywords, you can go with even 1 to 2 keywords as well. There is not necessary to go with 3 keywords as a minimum. 1 to 2 is fine. Now, even for that, I recommend to have 1 to 2 ads per ad group. So we can test, we can do A/B testing on those, and that is how we can get a high profile campaign structure. Apart from this, I think that the relevancy, as I told, now if you're creating an ad, if its ad is relevant to specific query, let's say someone is searching a specific thing and they come they see your ad, and if your ad is relevant to that keyword, they may likely to click on your ad. That is the relevancy first part. The relevancy second part is adding ad assets on your ads. I recommend adding phone extensions, site links, promo deals, coupon deals to increase your credibility of your ad, and to increase the attention of the user. And after this, your landing page plays a crucial role. Now, landing page has a huge why, because someone has a certain expectation when they are visiting your landing page or clicking on your ad. So you need to fulfill that expectations. So fulfill that expectations, and that is how you can win your customers. So once you do relevancy in your ad and in your keyword structure, focus on relevancy in your landing page. That is how you can reduce your CPC. Okay, you have conversion tracking installed. Make sure for this as well, because the whole system will work only if you have conversion tracking installed in your system. So when you ask the question, I assume that you have installed it, but if not now, you do install your conversion tracking as well on your account structure. Apart from this, do heat map recording for your website, so you can see what people are looking on your website, and if it's fulfilling their expectations or not, and how much time they're spending. And then look for your search terms and remove unnecessary or not performing keywords, or create separate ad group ads for them. Okay, apart from this, focus on your location optimization. See which locations are working well, timings and days, and this is how you can get a premium Google Ads campaign through which you can have the lowest possible CPC. And the bidding strategy part is not necessary over here, where you have to do the CPC in most cases, but these are the main strategies through which you can achieve or you can reduce your CPC in competitive niche, specifically where a high profile niche and where it's very important to beat your competitors. Follow these strategies. And the last thing is, if I not forget, and that is your CTR. CTR means click through rate. And I have, apart from quality score, the second best important thing is CTR. CTR means click through rate, number of people clicking on your website. And if you achieve the relevancy, I assume that your CTR will also be improved. And that is how you can win your customers and get the lowest possible CPC in your Google Ads. So I hope this answers your question and query. And if anyone needs a professional Google Ads audit, setup, or management service, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. We are known as AARSWEBS.com, Google partner company helping clients with Google Ads, all type of Google Ads services and management. So you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye bye.